350 of Bharati Nyaya Sanhita 2023. According to Indian Penal Code, this 350 of BNS is 487. Means 487 of Indian Penal Code will change 350 in Bharati Nyaya Sanhita 2023. Again, in 350 of BNS, that is 487 of Indian Penal Code, what is described here? Making a false mark upon any receptacle containing goods. In 487 and 488 of Indian Penal Code, it is both is described in Bharati Nyaya Sanhita in section 350 subclause 1 and subclause 2. Sub 350 subclause 1, making a false marks upon any receptacles containing goods. Whoever makes any false mark upon any case, package or other receptacles containing goods in manner of reasonable calculated to cause any public servant or any other persons to believe that such a receptacle contains goods which it does not contain, or that it does not contain goods which it does not contain, or that the goods contained in such a receptacle are of a nature or quality different from that real nature or quality thereof, shall, unless he proves that he acted without intent to defraud, be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 3 years, or with fine, or with both. 488 of IPC, that is changes in BNS 350 subclause 2. Whoever makes use of any false mark in any manner prohibited under subsection subclause 1 shall, unless he proves that he acted without intent to defraud, be punished as if he had committed the offence under subsection 1. And 503 351 criminal intimidation means 503 of IPC, that changes in the BNS Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 in section 351. Criminal intimidation. Whoever threatens another by any means which any injury to his person, reputation or property, or to the persons of reputations of any one in whom that the person is interested, with intent to cause alarm to persons, or to the cause that the persons to do any act which he is not legally bound to do, or limit to do any act which that the person is legally entitled to do, as the means of avoiding the executions of such a threat, commits criminal intimidation. If you are liking it, then subscribe it so that we are able to make the new video, and like it and comment it also. If there is anything, if you are thinking to be improved in the video, then you can make. Thank you.